What I love about design and architecture is creative problem solving. I find that some of the most beautiful and rewarding details come from a problem and how it's resolved. I'm Paul Reber and my firm is Reber Design Architecture. We're here today in Greenwich Village at 30 East 10th Street, and welcome to my project. This apartment is a duplex, and this stair was the biggest challenge, and it's the most rewarding aspect of the apartment. It's steel with wood treads, glass and railings, and one of the most interesting is this sculptural handrail that starts on the lower level and it bends all the way up continuously, and it's about 33 feet long. Part of the beauty of the stair is when you walk up and down it, you experience it, and it's three-dimensional art. While downstairs is mostly the private spaces, the public spaces are upstairs, and let's take a look at the unique details. Here we are in the main living space. We wanted to create a tectonic language of form that carries throughout the space. Here we are in the kitchen, and you can see that the forms are very modern, very linear, and it's all about color blocking and the finishes. So these floating soffits is part of what I talk about as a tectonic language, and you can see it through the square shapes, the blocking, and the floating planes. So there was a distinctive effort to keep things linear and separated and understandable. In this project, a lot of the focus became on the windows and the detailing that are part of the architecture. We created these casings that go floor to ceiling, and it really elongated it, and it made a very unique detail around a typical window. These columns in the space are structural, and what we did is they're clad on the sides with half-inch steel plates, and the infill is an etched gray mirror. In the living room, we wanted to create a space where you can have a comfortable conversation. In addition to the floating planes and the cove light that beautifully light up the ceiling, we also incorporated these cube lights that can focus light on the art. Now that I showed you the public spaces, let's take a look at the primary suite. Architecturally, most of the details from the rest of the apartment carry in here, and we have the same casings on the window, but here in the bedroom, they step in to be able to help block the light. And outside of the windows are these classic New York views. The bed didn't really fit where the column was, so what we did was we balanced it out with a fake column and a niche behind the bed to be able to fit a king-size bed comfortably in the room. The principal suite also includes a large walk-in closet and a bathroom. Here in the bathroom, you can see the same color scheme as the kitchen, but the bathrooms are predominantly more white with a little black accents. So we designed like custom medicine cabinets to incorporate kind of lighting that was more elemental. And we have these great doors that close off the bathroom. They're etched glass with these custom-made handles that double as towel bars. Creating a specific language of form and detail and a limited palette of materials can really pull a space together and make it beautiful. Thank you for taking a look. I look forward to seeing you on the next one.
If you thought this place was impressive, just wait. We've got so much more to show you. Like and subscribe, and you'll see more gorgeous places almost every day.